Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Joseon Mun token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Joseon Mun is the national currency of Joseon, the first legally recognized network state in the world. Joseon has been in existence since 1392. Recently re-granted legal recognition into the family of nation in 2023. Joseon has relaunched a cyber nation. JSM is the currency of Joseon and thus a foreign currency in other jurisdictions. While still being a blockchain currency, Joseon also provides a state haven for crypto projects to domicile in its jurisdictions. Joseon Mun project institutional rating is 3.4. Joseon Mun token total supply is 2.4 trillion and circulating supply is around 316.47 billion JSM token. JSM token is listed on L-Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.